Hi, my name is Naveen and I had worked in Zynga India before as a software engineer.
Naveen, can you briefly describe to us Zynga in your own words?
Okay, so Zynga is a company headquartered at San Francisco, US, and founded in 2007. It's a social gaming company. So by social gaming company, what I mean is it uses the social connections of the gamer on any of the social website, like say Facebook, to build up the games. So you can progress the level of the game only by having interactions with your social connections on Facebook. In India, it has its base in Bangalore.
How can we see the presence of Zynga in day-to-day things?
So there are a couple of games which I think either you have played or you might know. So one of the most famous is Zynga Poker. It's one of the best games. It was one of the best games on Facebook for poker. There's one more game, Farmville 2. There's one, and the other was Farmville, which is basically an extension of Farmville 2 is actually an extension of Farmville. It's also a very popular social game. And there's one more game which is very famous among the Indian crowd, and that is Mafia Wars. Most of the people in college actually play that.
So Naveen, how do you think, from your individual point of view, Zynga is a better company than its competitor?
According to me, Zynga have got a very good engineering talent, and why I can say that is the games that Zynga have delivered. If you see the quality of engineering done on the front end as well as on the back end side is amazing. A lot of reusable components we use, which helps us to ship the game very fast without deteriorating the quality of the game. That is the best point that I have.
So what are the technologies that Zynga works on?
So there are a lot of technologies from the backend as well as from the front end side. So talking about the backend, there is Memcache, which Zynga built and open sourced. There is Greyhound, which helped Zynga to reduce the number of servers that Zynga uses. Apart from that, obviously on the mobile side, they use Unity, which is a gaming engine where you can actually start developing games using C# language. So being a very small device it's a big challenge to build games which will be hardware optimized, and that is what Zynga is working on right now.
Naveen, tell us about the exposure that you get at your company outside of your work.
Yeah, so there are lot actually. So I'll start with trips. So when I was Zynga, there was a trip to Sri Lanka. There was another trip to Wayanad. There was one trip to Goa, and there was one to go to Ooty as well. Apart from trips, there are on-site activities as well. So like obviously Zynga is headquartered in San Francisco. So we used to so whenever there was a game which was being transitioned to India, people used to go for on-site activities for around 3 months to 6 months. Uh, it was mostly to knowledge transfer. There was one more thing, like obviously socially conscious engineers was basically an initiative to make the society good, starting from blood donation camps or waste collection, waste dumping, going to villages and teach to the children, mostly like that.
So how does the company interact with students who are currently in college?
I think there's the only one mode that I know is using through internships, which starts from 3 months to 6 months.
So how is the work culture and the work environment at Zynga?
The working hours are not strict. I mean, you can come at 10 o'clock, leave at 6, 8 o'clock. But usually you need to make sure that the work is completed because there are timelines, because there are sprint cycles, so you need to make sure that the work is done. And obviously you can always interact with your manager whenever you need. You can always give suggestions if you want, if there are something. From the cultural side, it's good. There's free food. There are games you can play. Start TT is there, Xbox is there, almost everything is there. There's football as well.